It's beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. We got our first beer from the Lidl beer box to show you today. It's from Teisnacher and it's the 1543 FestMa rzen beer. It's coming in at 5.4% ABV in a half-litre dark brown bottle, gold bottle cap. If you haven't seen it, have a look at the unboxing video for Lidl Oktoberfest beer. The beers, you get 10 in a box, 10 beers, they were £25, that's £2.50 a bottle. I'll be pairing it today, this Marzen beer, Fest beer, with a BierWurst pork sausage. Now this is already cooked, part of the Alpen range in Lidl, so it's cooked pork sausage. So I'm just going to slice a little bit of this up and try it with a Teisnacher. So without further ado then, let's get this beer out into a glass and see what we get. I'm going to say, and quite rightly, I titled my unboxing video as Lidl Oktoberfest. And somebody pointed out that there was actually only 2 Oktoberfest beers in the box, which is fair enough. The rest are kind of fest beers, festival beers from all over Germany. And I really like that. I really like that when somebody with great knowledge like that comes on and mentions that they're actually fest beers. 8 of the beers are fest beers and 2 of the beers are Oktoberfest. So I should have called the video really Lidl Fest Beer Unboxing. But there we go, never mind. Here's a look at the beer. 3-finger white head. For a Marzen, I'm going to say it's definitely hazy. But when I picture a Marzen, I picture it slightly darker than this. Almost like a Vienna lager. That's how I picture Marzen beer. Whenever I have a Marzen, they're quite dark. So this is quite light for a Marzen beer. But let's get the aroma. Good carbonation on the beer. 5.4% ABV. Aroma. Smells really good. Biscuity, bready. Yeah, smells fantastic. A little bit hoppy, stinging nettle-like. Let's dive in. Cheers, everybody. Oh. Oh, that is superb. Absolutely superb. Stone the Crows. Stone the Crows. What a beer. Fantastically drinkable, crushable, refreshing, darker style lager. Marzen style lager. You definitely get a lot of that kind of biscuitiness, breadiness coming through. Sweetness over here, bitterness over here from them stinging nettle hops coming through. Great lacing on the glass. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful, incredible, drinkable beer. Right. BierWurst. This is my first time tasting BierWurst. I'm just going to cut it straight down the middle. Have a look at this then. Could have had a look on the old YouTube, see how to serve this, but I'm just going to go straight down the middle. Made in Bavaria with meat from Germany. Oh, look at this. I even peeled off the old, whatchamacallit, the old wrapper. Look at that, perfect. Right, slice this up into... Look at this then. Nice cooked pieces of ham. Oh, lovely. Lovely, absolutely lovely. Lovely consistency to it. Hints of garlic, hints of maybe a little bit of salt and pepper. Really simple. Simple. When you're enjoying a beer, when you're drinking a beer, you want something utterly simple like this. And this is perfect. Perfect beer snack. Absolutely fantastic with the beer. The beer is just so deliciously drinkable. The biscuitiness, the breadiness coming through, the hoppiness, the stinging nettle hop flavour coming through. So Darwin, Tree of Life, stinging nettle and the hop, they're kind of cousins. They kind of branch off from one another. And yeah, they're cousins really. And before brewers actually found hops, they used to use stinging nettles. Stinging nettles used to be the first preservative to preserve beer before the hop. And then it was a kind of like, I don't know, maybe they couldn't find some stinging nettles, or they just thought, right, what's this? Let's try and use these things. And lo and behold, it was a better preservative for the beer. And then it went on where they started to use not just the hops to preserve the beer, but the hops to actually flavour the beer at the same time. And it goes really, pardon me, it goes really, really well with this BierWurst. It's kind of, it almost reminds me a bit of like Spam, but better quality, because it's, I think I said earlier on, it's 90% pork. Yeah, 90% pork, so it's not like Spam, which is, I don't know, maybe being injected with stuff just to make it last. But I like that. I can imagine making, you could make a ham sandwich with that if you wanted to. Really good. I'm not going to eat too much of it because I've had a roast dinner. But I just wanted to pair it with a beer just to see if it works. Definitely does. If I was a hungry man, which I'm not at the moment, if I was hungry, I'd slice up a lot of that. Maybe put it on the table, people around, let people snack on the BierWurst. So I'm gonna rate the BierWurst first and foremost. It's good. It's really, really good. It's tasty. Would I buy it again? Definitely. It's been designed around beer. It works for beer. You just slice it up, eat it while you're drinking. Fantastic, really good. I like it. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 for the BierWurst. I like that. As for the Teisnacher, now let's have a quick look on the back of the bottle. So it's teisnacher.de, so that's the brewery name. Water, malt, hops and yeast. Of course, it complies with the purity law in Germany, and it's been going since 1543, this brewery. If you're able to pick up one of the beer boxes in Lidl or some of the fast beer foods, definitely worth a go, definitely worth a look. It's really good, really tasty. The beer, I like it. It's a kind of a bit of a cross between a regular German lager and a Marzen. It's not quite kind of like full-on Marzen, if that makes sense. It's kind of like a step back a little bit from being a I mean, it's a Marzen fest beer, it definitely is, but it's a little bit too light, and that biscuitiness and breadiness, you just get a little bit more with, say, other Marzen beers that I've tried over the last few weeks. I like it, but I have had better. It's a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10 for the Marzen beer. Thanks very much for watching. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.